Hi, I'm Stephen Rupp. I'm editor of Super Chevy Online, Super Chevy Magazine. And here today we're at the 2018 Super Chevy Muscle Car Challenge presented by Falken Tire. So we had a lot of different cars, a lot of different budgets. We had cars here that were probably 4 or 5 grand. We had cars here that were probably 100 grand. Our baseline for this year's event is a friend of mine. It's his 2017 Camaro 1SS. The new Camaros are really fast, so to be anywhere close to the benchmark car is pretty good, really, especially with all the technology they throw in those cars. And our cars are real analog, no ABS or no traction control. You're lucky if they have air conditioning and a radio in them. So all the cars here are really against that baseline car, but let's be real, they all really want to beat each other. So there's a lot of bragging rights and stuff on hand for the cars that are against each other. We have a road course, what we do. It's a full, about a 2-mile road course. Pretty fast one too, so not a lot of turns, a lot of straightaways. We have a slalom test, and we do a what's called a 100-yard dash, which is like a really short drag race. So it just makes for a good day of enjoying our cars and burning through tires and burning through gas and making friends. So that's what it's all about. It's really nice because this year is the first year we get to run on the new Falken RT615K Plus tires. They've been really good for us at autocrosses and road track events. At Super Chevy, we always try to preach, these cars are great, but if they're sitting in your garage, they're nothing but statues and works of art. Go out and drive your car. Take it to an autocross, take it to a drag race, take it to a road course. Just take it to the beach and drive it down the coast. Find an excuse, drive your car. You'll thank me later. Trust me.